name is Jay Basler. I'm a machine technician on NSTX-U. Working at PPPL means that I get to have a hand in something that could possibly change the future. Right out of college, I started working with at-risk youth, behavioral health care. I did that for close to 10 years and just hit a point where I needed something new and needed to change it up. And I found out through a family friend who happened to work here that they were looking for some technicians for NSTX. So I applied, and a couple of days later I was hired, and here I am 13 years later. Safety is important, especially here at work, because our ultimate goal is to get our work done, but to also get home to our families. That's the most important thing to me, is that I'm able to get home to my wife and kids. I'm looking forward to PPIC being done, and then what our next venture is going to be. Where do we go once NSTX-U is up and operational and Flare's been running for a while? What do we do next?